Zero Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Tower Del 263 Heavy with you for 4 right.
Del 263 Heavy Boston, tower following Cessna 402 on a mile, final traffic holds on the crossing runway 4 right, clear lane.
Clear line 4 right, Del 263 Heavy.
Air 548, turn left heading 060, runway 15 right, clear for takeoff.
Plus 060, 15 right, clear for takeoff. American 1410 with you outside of Milton. American 1410 with you at Milton.
Delta 263 Heavy, go around and turn 10 degrees left.
For Del 263.
Care, go low.
Going low, 38. What the heck? Heading for Del 263 Heavy.
Delta 263 Heavy, turn left heading 300, maintain 3000.
Left heading 300 up to 3000, Del 263 Heavy. That was close. Yeah, man. Not cool. Are we going 060, Care 548?
Care 548, affirmative, turn left heading 060.
Okay, all good. Thanks. American 1410, short final.
American 1410, Boston Tower, runway 4 right, clear land.
Clear to land, 4 right, American 1410.
Care 548, heading 060, contact departure.
060 departure, Care 548.
263 Heavy, contact departure 133.0. 3
Heavy, we got a phone number we can call.
Yeah, do you want us to give it to you when you're on the ground next time, or do you want it now?
I'll take it next time we get on the ground, Del 263 Heavy.
And Tower Del 263 Heavy, when you do have a minute, I know you're busy, we would like that phone number, please, for the go-around.
Yes, sir, I'll get you in just a moment.
No problem.
263 Heavy, I've got that whenever you're ready.